able to nerves on nickel rafts. Let's go ahead, shall we? Baseball. Defense first. Begin your opening statement. Now, please. I believe Mr. Milanico is more than he seems. You're good. He's my client, but I'm very sure he hasn't found any clients or any cash-free. So commented. So he looks augmented and very weird specific, but he's just in a total war. But he's just, just like me. Sure, just like me. Counting me anything. I know his schedule. And he usually has like 5 cases and treats by 9. The end. Prosecution open statement. I saw Mr. Naga last night in some strange place, like a tall building, and all the stuff was black out. So the victim didn't know what was going on. Then Mr. Naga shoot the victim. Sara Canary right in the midsection. Unfortunately, Sara Canary survived that day, but this was an attack. I rest my case. Call your first witness. I'm to call my first witness, Mr. Manuel, the partner of Mr. Minnacle. Witness, proceed to the stage. Hello, I'm Mr. Manuel. Mr. Manuel, what was Mr. Minnacle doing this night? During the night of June 29th at 4 o'clock p.m. That's when the crime was taken? Yes, this is fiction, so let's go with it. Oh, gotcha. Mr. Minnacle was just kicking fire as last moment Sara Carty as a usual lawyer would do. She went and boom, there was a bullet in her butt by a mystery man, the Max. I don't know how Mr. Minnacle could be in 2 places at the same time. Last time I saw him, he was still at the table getting the files. Prostitution, call your first witness. I'm calling Sara Canary herself as my witness. Very well. Sara Canary. I'm gonna ask you one simple question. What was Mr. Minnacle doing with you in the room when I was presenting you the case? Thank you, Mr. Prosecution. It was true, Mr. Minnacle was in the room with me and doing my files. After a while, Mr. Manuel took over, and then Mr. Minnacle told me to join me outside. Then he shot a bullet in my butt. And that's all I caught. Both convincing cases. Security cameras show us what really happened. Alright, there's Mr. Minnacle going for files. He goes inside Sara Canary. Someone behind him comes in and throws it behind the butt. There's a arm right above Mr. Minnacle. And if you look closer, the name tag says Mr. Orwell. Mr. Orwell, please take to the stand. You are hereby guilty. The judge laughs.